Food produced by plant is major sources of energy for all living organisms. Various agricultural practices have helped man who has used more food to meet his requirements. Now, let us discuss all these practices followed by our farmers. Soil management. A major step in scientific agriculture is soil management. This means maintaining the quality of fertility of soil. Soil erosion and monoculture reduces the fertility of soil. Methods should be adopted to prevent erosion so that the topsoil is not carried away. Similarly, crop rotation should be a practice which enhances the nitrogen content in the soil. Let us see how a well-managed soil is prepared by cultivation. Ploughing. The first activity in preparing the soil is ploughing. Ploughing may be done by bullock-drawn ploughs or tractors. This makes the soil loose and airy and allows penetration of roots deep into the soil. Weeds get uprooted and dry up. Some harmful pests that are exposed now may be eaten by birds, and this also allows the growth of some beneficial bacteria. Leveling. After ploughing, generally the field is leveled. This helps to break up chunks of soil. Earlier, leveling was done by hitting the chunk of soil with hand-held clubs. Now, tractors-driven levelers and bullocks-drawn levelers are used. Leveling ensures proper distribution of seeds that are sown, proper spreading of water in the field, and proper root penetration. After preparing the fields, the next step is the selection of good quality of seeds and sowing. Quality seeds has a direct bearing on yield, hence improved variety should be used. It is always better to treat seeds with fungicide before sowing. This will prevent the attack of fungus. Sowing. Sowing can be done manually or mechanically. In manual sowing, farmers scatter the seeds in the field with the hand. This is known as broadcasting. Seed drill is an instrument that can be attached to the plough to sow the seeds at proper depth and at proper distance. Sowing by seed drill is a more advanced method. Sowing can be done directly in the prepared field or in a nursery. Transplanting. The activity is taken up only when sowing is done in a nursery. When the seedlings are 6 to 8 inches in height, they are transplanted to a prepared field. Transplanting helps in removing weeds and unhealthy seedlings. This allows spacing of plants for better growth. We have seen all the major activities of cultivation of food crops. Some of the minor activities still very important. Irrigation. The process by which required amount of water is supplied to the crops. Application of manure and fertilizers. This is required for proper growth and enhanced yield. Crop has to be protected from pests and infection from microorganisms by using pesticides. Weeds should also be removed at regular intervals for healthy growth of plants.